Today is my birthday and I am very happy that all of my these online students have surprisingly gathered today to celebrate my birthday. Although there are certain COVID rules and provisions that all of we follow it very nicely, and many of them are vaccinated, and credit goes to the government of India who has helped lots of youths to go for the vaccination, and they are now vaccinated and they feel lots of safe in the way that they are ready to face the health challenges which have come, and once again we are forced to enjoy the online classes for the last few days, and that definitely gives us a lot of challenge to handle the education that is the core of the growth of the democracy. Because in India, yeah, everywhere in the world, if we don't give priority to the education, then the real growth of the democracy would not be possible, because education is related to economy, economy is related to education. Education means lots of successful guys, lots of scientists, lots of engineers, lots of successful doctors, lots of MBA graduates, postgraduates, and doing lots of beautiful things, not only in India but in every part of the world, even by facing the challenges of the COVID and the new kind of the variant which has come from time to time. Guys, so I must tell, today is my birthday. I am not going to give a lengthy lecture. I want to thank all of you that all of you have been wishing me just since the night, and I still continue to get lots of messages in my WhatsApp and Messenger and in different places which I am not able to see, but I would definitely read all of them with my attention, with my care, with my sincerity, and would definitely love to give my special thanks to all of you, because the way all of you have suddenly given me the surprise from the morning, that it makes me really on the top of the world. In the beginning, I used to think that I am just a simple teacher from a small town, but when I find that most of my students from the different parts of the India who are in a very good positions, and even those who are the common students but have been doing everything for becoming successful in their life, have given me the chance to smile and to remain confident and remain as optimistic as possible, so that I can give as much as possible to my new generation, which I continue to deliver to my old generation, who is making India proud and making the world proud too in their respective positions. So guys, I am really very happy, because I miss my lovely mother, who used to buy a set for me on my special birthday and used to give me the special thing. But I also want to give my this lovely wife, who always took care of me by feeding me beautiful dish just early in the morning, and even she celebrated my birthday just with a cake. And my son also came, but because of certain things he is in on position. But all of my happiness grew quite many times, because these girls and these boys who surprisingly came, because today is Sunday, even their classes are missing, but they somehow came and decided among themselves that today we are going to give a big surprise to the sir. And I hope that guys, that as a teacher I would always tell you to remain optimistic, because no problem is permanent in this world. Problem comes and go. Okay, it may leave certain trails of depression, devastation, depreciation, but even then, the history shows that we emerge out of these conditions with our wisdom, with our determination, and with our sagacity, and with our farsightedness that always help us to remain prosperous, happy, and strong. And that is the way education is also the priority, because this can never be ignored. Of course, most of the students sometimes become depressed going for the online education, but it's the temporary phase, because most of the students are going for the vaccination. Once the vaccination is completed, I hope that most of them would be in a position to take their classes even in offline mode very consciously and very seriously. It might be 15 days, 1 month, but by and large the situation will improve, because no virus remains permanently and things start improving. Hope all of you would be enjoying beautiful days, good days, by enjoying my birthday and a special birth today. So guys, lots of love, thanks, and good wishes to all of you equally for your careers, for your prosperity, for your good and beautiful life, because all of you have given me a smile, all of you have given me my confidence to demonstrate and be strong so that I can continue my mission of giving the quality education to most of the students so that they can make their families proud, their society proud, their country proud. And that is the purpose of my life, because my life main mission is just to do something for my student. Because as a teacher, I have been playing that role and I would continue to play that role, and that is the dream of my life. I neither wanted to be very rich person, not wanted to become very big businessman. I always wanted to become a successful teacher, and that I am, because I have helped thousands of students from a small town of Samastipur, which is now known in many parts of India and in many parts of the world, because my students are making me proud by staying here and keeping me in their memory. That makes me on the top of the world, and that is the blessed moment which I have got. So I give my pranam, namaskar to all the elders members who keep on blessing me, and also to all the people who keep me wishing well. So guys, I know time is very challenging for all of us on the third wave of the coronavirus, but again we are all determined to come out of this crisis, and we know my pranam is also to Almighty and to all of you to come out of this, and also a special thanks to all of you for wishing me on my birthday. Okay guys, bye bye, thanks to all of you. Okay, wishing me, okay.